Hi students, good morning. So today we're going to continue our lesson with soluble and insoluble materials. Okay, first we want to see what is soluble and insoluble. Soluble means தண்ணியில கரையக்கூடியது. Insoluble means cannot தண்ணியில கரைய முடியாதது. சரியா? So we're going to see what is soluble and insoluble materials that we are using in our daily life. Nisha add two materials in the glass water and stirs. Before stirring, after stirring. So what she put inside the water? She put corn kernels and sugar. So what will happen? Please predict. What do you think will happen to the corn kernels and sugar? Which one will dissolve in water and which one will not dissolve in water? Okay, A. Where's the sugar? Why are the corn kernels still visible? The sugar is still there, but it has dissolved in the water. The corn kernels are still there, visible because they don't dissolve in water. Okay, some materials can dissolve in water like sugar, and some materials cannot dissolve in water like corn kernels. Okay, some material can dissolve in water. Okay, how can we know which material dissolve in water and which material will not dissolve in water? So for that, we're going to do a experiment. So sir will share a video in the quiz that I'm going to give you today, and you watch the video, and there is an experiment in the video, and you will know what is the exactly materials that can be dissolved and not dissolved in water. So here, stirring mixture, the investigation, you see the investigation, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of green beans, 1 teaspoon of rice. So now what we do, let's say you are doing this in your house, not doing not sir not asking you to do the question in your house, just imagine that we are doing. Okay, we are putting 200 milliliter of water in each glass in your house, and first glass we put 1 teaspoon of salt, second glass we put 1 teaspoon of green beans, and third glass we put 1 teaspoon of rice. So what happened when we stir? The salt will be visible or not visible? Yes, salt will be visible. We can't see anymore the salt, but it's inside the water. When you taste the water, you can find out there is a salt inside the water. And when we see the green beans and rice, it will be visible and it won't dissolve in water. The green bean and the rice won't dissolve in water. Only salt are dissolved in water. Okay, thank you. So tomorrow we will next class we will continue to do the next one. So for this one, sir will give you a quiz, so just answer it. Thank you, students.